Question 6 is compound inequality 10 minus x over 4 and then 7 plus 2x here. Again, we use the same logic in equation. Both sides multiply 4. So don't forget, should be every term times 4. So 10 minus x is left because 4 divided by 4 give you 1. And then 4 times 7, 28, and then plus 8x. Group everything to one side, negative x and negative 8x here. We minus 8x on both sides. 28 and then we minus 10 on both sides. Negative 9x and then this is 18. So after that, I want x, I don't want negative 9. That's why I need to divide both sides by negative 9. Divide both sides by negative 9. But don't forget it, whenever you divide both sides by negative, it will trigger the change in direction. Smaller than, if you divide by negative number or multiply by negative number, then you need to change the direction. So x is larger than negative 2. If you forget the reason why it's triggered the change, I just give you some simple example. 1 and 5. Obviously 1 is smaller than 5, right? But how about if we consider negative 1 and negative 5? Give $1 and give $5. Of course, this one is better. So negative 1 is larger than negative 5. The direction may be reversed. So this is just half of the question. And 3x minus 21 smaller equal to 0. 3x 21 divide both sides by 3 because x more than 7. Therefore, x larger than negative 2 and at the same time x need to be smaller than 7. Many students just finish here and forget that we need a simplified conclusion. If we need to check whether we can simplify this expression. It looks so complicated. Larger than some number and then at the same time smaller than some number. So we need to analyze whether we can use a more simple method to express it. In a graph, there is a number line. Negative 2 is smaller and then 7 is bigger. The first requirement, x larger than negative 2. So all the x under this line we can choose to fulfill the first requirement. At the same time, it needs to be smaller or equal to 7. So in this number line, there's some region fulfill our requirements, some do not. And then we are going to write down which region fulfill our requirement. Our requirement here is N. So region 1, region 2, region 3. The first region just fulfill the second requirement but not the first one. It's do not consistent with our understanding about N. We need both but not only one. So this is not acceptable. This is not a target. The middle region fulfill the first requirement at the same time also fulfill the second requirement. So this is our target. This is one of our solution. The last region fulfill the first one but not the second one. So under the N situation, this is not acceptable. And our answer is we need to label this region. The name of this region is x between negative 2 and 7. X larger than negative 2, at the same time x smaller than 7. This is the simplified expression and you need to give me this conclusion to get the final answer mark. Don't forget it. Whenever I ask you to solve some compound inequality like this with two statements based on an or case, you need to simplify it if you can. Sometimes you may not able to simplify it, sometimes you can, and you need to give me this final answer. Part B, how many integers satisfy the inequalities in A are so ridiculous that some students list out all the numbers. Do not tell me how many, then I won't give any marks. Some students list out how many number, but they have some mistake in counting. So the best method, using your number line, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. -3 here. So we have to check which one fulfill our requirement. -2, this is empty circle. It can't be exactly -2, so this is not our target. This one okay? Okay. 7, is that okay? We find that it can be equal to 7, can be exactly equal to 7, so it's okay. 8 is not. And then you please count it very carefully. Don't make any careless mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 integers fulfill the requirement. 9 integers. Usually this kind of question, they ask you to write down how many integers. Then you just need to write down the answer directly. And don't make any careless mistake. Otherwise, next time I will post it in the WhatsApp group.